11 foolproof Florida native plants for your first garden. Hey there, fellow Florida garden enthusiasts! Are you itching to green up your space but not sure where to start? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Florida-friendly gardening with some fantastic native plants that are perfect for beginners. These plants aren't just beautiful and low maintenance, they're tailor-made for thriving in our unique climate. Whether you're looking to attract butterflies, save water, or simply add a splash of color to your garden, these native wonders will do the trick. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get growing. Sabal Palm. The Sabal Palm, the state tree of Florida, epitomizes resilience and versatility. Able to thrive in a variety of soil conditions, this palm is often seen standing strong after hurricanes, thanks to its robust nature and deep root system. The Sabal Palm's iconic silhouette features large, fan-shaped leaves that bring a distinct tropical flair to landscapes. It requires minimal care once established, making it a favorite among gardeners looking to add a stately, low-maintenance plant to their outdoor spaces. Its slow growth and tolerance for salt spray also make it suitable for coastal areas. Tickseed. Tickseed, Florida's state wildflower, is celebrated for its cheerful daisy-like blooms that come in a spectrum of colors including yellows, reds, and pinks. This dependable perennial flowers profusely from spring to late fall, providing long-lasting vibrancy in the garden. Tickseed is highly adaptable, thriving in sandy, well-drained soils and tolerating partial shade to full sun. It's an excellent choice for novice gardeners due to its minimal care requirements and ability to attract pollinators such as butterflies and bees. Its drought tolerance makes it suitable for xeriscaping or naturalized areas where low maintenance is key. Beach sunflower. Beach sunflower is a robust ground cover that continually produces vibrant yellow flowers, ideal for brightening up coastal gardens. It excels in sandy, nutrient-poor soils and can handle the salt and wind associated with beachfront conditions. This plant spreads quickly, offering excellent ground coverage and erosion control, while its year-round blooming cycle provides endless color. Beach sunflower is extremely low maintenance, needing only occasional watering once established, making it perfect for beginner gardeners or those looking for hassle-free landscaping options. Florida Anise. Florida Anise is an attractive evergreen shrub that brings a unique aesthetic to shaded garden spots with its star-shaped dark red flowers and aromatic leaves. Thriving in the cooler, shaded areas of the garden, it requires little sunlight to maintain its lush appearance. This shrub is particularly valued for its year-round visual interest and the spicy fragrance of its leaves, which can be crushed to release their scent. Florida Anise is also deer-resistant, making it a practical choice for areas where wildlife browsing can be a problem. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and can be used as a natural privacy screen or a backdrop for other shade-loving plants. Firebush. Firebush is a dynamic addition to any garden, with its striking red tubular flowers that attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and other pollinators. This fast-growing shrub can quickly fill in garden spaces, creating a lush, tropical feel. Firebush is highly adaptable to different environments, thriving in both dry and moist conditions, and can tolerate a range of soil types. It's particularly effective in native plant gardens or naturalized areas, where it can perform with minimal intervention. The fiery blooms and the plant's ability to thrive in full sun to partial shade make it a versatile choice for diverse Florida landscapes. Coontie. Coontie, a native Floridian cycad, is a prime choice for gardeners seeking a low-maintenance prehistoric plant that thrives in shade or partial sun. Its fern-like foliage provides textural contrast in garden designs, while its slow growth and small size make it perfect for understory plantings or xeriscaped areas. Coontie is extremely drought-tolerant once established and can handle a variety of soil types, though it prefers well-drained situations. It is also a host plant for the Atala butterfly, adding an ecological benefit to its ornamental value. Saw Palmetto. Saw Palmetto is not only a critical component of Florida's native landscapes, but also serves as a vital habitat and food source for wildlife. This low-growing palm is exceptionally hardy, tolerating drought, frost, and salt spray, which makes it a stalwart choice for Florida gardens. Its fan-shaped fronds add tropical texture to the landscape, and its berries are a food source for local fauna while also being used in herbal supplements. Saw Palmetto is excellent for naturalistic landscapes, ground cover, or as a low-maintenance hedge. Blanket flower. The blanket flower is a standout with its bright, bold blooms in shades of red, orange, and yellow, mimicking the appearance of a sunset. This sun-loving plant is perfect for sandy, well-drained soils and thrives in areas that receive full sunlight. It's highly drought tolerant and blooms from early summer into fall, providing long-lasting color and visual interest. Blanket flower is ideal for rock gardens, coastal areas, and borders where its low-maintenance nature and ability to attract pollinators like butterflies make it a valuable addition to the garden. Scarlet Sage. Scarlet sage, with its vivid red flowers, is a magnet for hummingbirds and butterflies, enriching the garden with both color and wildlife activity. This hardy perennial is adaptable to a range of conditions but thrives in well-drained soil and can tolerate both dry and humid Florida climates. It's particularly effective in mass plantings, borders, or as a naturalized feature in cottage gardens. Scarlet sage's continuous blooming from spring through fall ensures that gardeners can enjoy its vibrant display for many months. Muhly Grass. Muhly Grass is celebrated for its ethereal beauty, particularly in the fall when its feathery plumes take on a breathtaking pinkish-purple hue. This ornamental grass is adaptable to a range of soil types, from sand to clay, and is drought-tolerant once established. Muhly Grass is perfect for adding texture and movement to garden borders, native landscapes, or as a focal point in mass plantings. Its low maintenance requirements and stunning visual impact make it a favorite among both novice and experienced gardeners. Spiderwort. Spiderwort is a charming addition to the Florida garden, offering clusters of three-petaled blue to purple flowers that open in the morning and close by midday. This plant thrives in partial shade but can tolerate morning sun, making it versatile for various garden settings. Spiderwort's grass-like leaves provide a lush backdrop for its blooms, which appear sporadically from spring through summer. It's ideal for naturalized areas, borders, or as an understory plant, where its ability to adapt to moist conditions and enrich the soil makes it invaluable. And there you have it, fellow Florida garden enthusiasts, 11 foolproof native plants ready to bring a burst of beauty and biodiversity to your first garden. But wait, before you rush off to get your hands dirty, don't forget to hit that like button if you're feeling inspired by these vibrant additions to your landscape. And if you want more tips, tricks, and green thumb goodness, subscribe to our channel and join our growing community of garden lovers. Oh, and speaking of tips, if you're eager to dive even deeper into the world of Florida-friendly gardening, check out our next video. Top 15 low-maintenance perennials anyone can plant. Trust us, it's a treasure trove of insider knowledge you won't want to miss. So until next time, life is better when you garden.